Guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can easily uninstall application and how you can delete application in iPhone 14. So let's say I'm in iPhone 14 and I don't want to have Skype here. So what I will do, I will just simply click on you need to hold it, right? So you're gonna hold the application and you're gonna have remove application. And then when you're going to remove it, you will uninstall it. So I'll click here, remove, and delete app, and delete Skype. So that's pretty much it how you do it. So again, I hold Facebook here, and then you're going to find the remove application. And that's how pretty much you do it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hope you are going to have a great day. And this is how you can delete application in iPhone 14. So see ya and goodbye.